Alright, in this video, I'm going to show you how to unclog your toilet. We're going to cover this really cool tool that I've bought a few years ago and I've used it more times than I can count. We'll also look at how to use a traditional plumber and a little bit of tips and tricks when it comes to that. But first, I'm going to have to clog the toilet.
I have 4 kids, so I have to unclog toilets all the time. But I do have to give them credit. I never realized how much effort you have to put in to actually clog this thing. This drum is full of metal wire, and the little clip on the front here allows it to either come in or locks it in position. So the trick is to gently speed it in as far as you can. When you hit a corner that you can't get past, you're gonna spin it a little bit, and that'll help get it around the corner. You don't want slack on the line because it'll mark up your toilet, so try to keep it as tight as possible. But keep repeating this process until you hit the clog. It takes a little bit of feel, but you'll get the hang of it. When you think you found the clog, keep it nice and tight and spin it to try to hook the tip of the wire on. Then you can just gently pull it out. You might not get it the first shot, but keep trying and it'll come out for sure. Got any marks left over, you can use like a mild abrasive and a little bit of elbow grease to make her pearly white again. Now plunging is pretty straightforward, but choosing the right plunger can help a lot. If you get one that's got a flange on the bottom, it helps. Once you've got a good seal around the hole without splashing water, you're just giving it some good thrusts in push-pull kind of action. You're trying to use the water pressure, not the air, to dislodge the clog. It helps to make sure the plunger is submerged. Sometimes you may want to add a little bit of water if you need to, but just repeat as necessary until the clog goes away. If you're living in an older house or you've got old plumbing, careful not to plunge too hard so you don't disconnect anything.